Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun. And to adjust the screen brightness, simply tap on this icon. This will open the brightness menu, and here you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider, like that. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back. You can press it again to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.